Hi, tell me, have you ever experienced this? You take a trade from your charts, the setup looks good, just to realize the fact that by the time the market closes, your setup has vanished. The logic, the hypothesis based on which you took the trade does not exist anymore. What happened? So, what happened was a mistake of taking a trade or basing your logic on a live candle. You did not wait for the candle to close. Allow me to show my charts and explain this concept to you in detail. Here I am on my TradingView screen. I'm using a basic candlestick charts and I've dropped two basic indicators like the MACD over here and the relative strength index down here. This mistake happens quite often, and I do get this question. So, what has happened is, let's say, for example, you're waiting for the MACD to cross over for a buy trade, and the candle is green, the candle is positive, it's going up. These two lines on the MACD is crossing over. You say this looks perfect, and you jump in and you buy. In this particular example, it has gone up, so you would have felt good, but many a times it also comes down. And what looked like a crossover at, let's say, 1 o'clock in the afternoon, by the time it's 3:30, the crossover does not exist. So what happened? What happened was by the time it was the market's time to close, it came down, and you took the call based on a live candle. Similar kind of a situation can end up with the relative strength index or any other indicators like a stochastics. We have to understand that most of these indicators are calculated based on the closing price. And for that reason, you have to wait for the candle's close to conclude. If you're trading the daily chart, wait for the day to end. If you're trading the 15-minute chart, the intraday charts, wait for that particular time period, 15 minutes or 5 minutes or even an hourly chart, for that candle to finish. Once the candle is finished, the closing price is never going to change ever. Now you have a proper reading of your indicators. Now you have a proper reading of the candle itself. The candle will never change. Or else what looked like a hammer pattern may not look like a hammer pattern at the end of the day. So please, your hypothesis, your logic, your setup should be concluded, should be finished, and then you should position yourself. This is very important, especially for intraday traders. Do share your thoughts on this. Till then, take care of yourselves and trade well.